Hey Year 10s. Today we're going to be talking about the zero index law. So the zero index law works that if I had any number, so if I had like 3 to the power of 0, or if I had a to the power of 0, either of these would equal 1. The way to think about this is, let's remember or recall. Number 1, if I had 3 divided by 3, that would equal to 1. If I had x divided by x, that would equal 1. So the other way to think about this is if I had a to the power of 3, or maybe I'm not going to go with a, let's go with, if I had 3 to the power of 3, let's see, 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4, and we would use what we learned about dividing indices, so we change that to 3 to the power of. You'd know that 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4, if you use the same logic as what we've been using here, where it's the same number divided by itself, it would be equal to 1. But if you want to think about it, you could say it's 4 minus 4, which equals 3 to the power of 0, which equals 1. If that's not enough of a sale for you, we can look at number patterns. And a number pattern works pretty simply to try to reinforce this too. So if you had 2 to the power of 3, that would be 8. If you had 2 to the power of 2, that would be 4. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Each step as I go, I'm divided by 2. You notice that pattern, I'm divided by 2. If I take 2 divided by 2, it's going to get me 1. So it follows the pattern as well. So same idea. I'm going to divide by 3 each time, or if I did 3 to the power of 4, I would get, so I'm just typing in my calculator really quick, I'd get 81. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 3 to the power of 1 is 3, and this time I'm dividing by 3 each time. I'm dividing by the base. Each step, if I divide by the base, so each time I'm stepping down, so what's 3 divided by 3? It's 1. So any number to the power of 0 is 1. So to kind of give you a couple examples, with example A, we know that 4 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 0 equals 1 plus 1, which is 2. Next example I'm going to show you, I'll just say that 3 to the power 3 to a to the power of 0, so that equals, I'll just do b here, 3 a to the power of 0 is equal to 3. A to the power of 0 is 1, which is the same as saying 3 times 1, which equals to 3. The last example is negative 3 to the power of 0 plus 6x to the power of 0. So step 1, what's negative 3 to the power of 0? It's 1 plus. So the power of 0 part is really this part right here. So that's only thing this to the power of 0. So we're going to write 6. What's x to the power of 0? 1. What's 6 times 1? And that's what I'm thinking in my head when I see that right there. That's what that means. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. I hope that video helps you understand the zero power or the zero index law. I hope you have no problem at all doing your practice today. Take care.